We welcome you all for this beautiful moment in which the students of Genis College of Nursing are exhibiting their products. We have organized an exhibition in Communication and Educational Technology regarding audio-visual aids.
If I hear, I forget. If I see, I remember. If I do, I understand. Here are the importance of audiovisual aids, that the device and procedures that help us to teaching and learning make us interesting, stimulating and reinforcing and effective for students.
We have prepared many projected, non-projected and electronic aids which will be useful in teaching and learning aspects. Now we are exhibiting our projected aids such as film projector and slide projector, non-projected aids such as models, mock-ups, charts and graphs, and electronic devices such as public addressing system.
Graphic aids which illustrate the form of symbols. It will be easily attracts the children, and my theme is about coronavirus, and we should vaccinate, wear mask, and we should hand wash, and we should maintain the social distance.
Photograph is image created by light fall on photosensitive surface. This is photo frame. This photo frame explains about coronavirus. This is coronavirus. It is detected by microscope. It is first found in Wuhan city and spreading over all the countries. It is transmitted by whenever if a person coughing or sneezing. It is diagnosed by artificial technique. This also frame is explain about prevention. This is first one of prevention is hand wash and maintain social distance and wear face mask. This is explain about the picture is vaccinated. We are also vaccinated. This is not prevented and follow. Is undergoing the ventilation. If you are not treated in this disease, if patient is go in rest in peace.
Aids in pamphlet and leaflet. Pamphlet is a 8-fold, 3-fold, 5-fold method. Is for the message conveyed for the community people. Leaflet is a one-side information for short time period message for conveyed for the community people. Next to move on health education. Aids for health education. Short time period message conveying for the community people. One type of aids in mock-ups. Mock-ups in machine model installation of the model in mock-ups. Procedure in peritoneal dialysis. Peritoneal dialysis is remove of the waste secretion in the hospital setting.
This is the working model of the digestive system. Models are concrete objects which are used to explain clearly about any concepts. When we provide food or fluid in the mouth, it goes into the esophagus and then to the stomach and then to the small intestine followed by the large intestine. Then our food is collected in the rectum and it is excreted through the anus.
Dressed as a character for the person. It is an effective teaching aid for the social science and languages. It is the types of puppet: string puppet, finger puppet, stick, and the shadow puppet. String puppet is a 9 string movements handled by the hands. Stick puppets is cut up into the pictures and after that placed in the sticks. Shadow puppet is mostly used in the puppet show. It is only the shadow screen on the white screen.
Audio aids. This is tape record. Tape record is the electric device. It records sound on magnetic tape. It also used to record, re-record, reproduce and erase sound on magnetic tape. Next to mic. Mic is called microphone. It used in many applications such as audio aids, television. It transfers sound in the air into the electronic signal. Next is CD. CD is the compact disc. It is a small plastic disc. It used to record information. This information can read by computer. Next radio. Radio is the mass communicable approach. It used for people who cannot able to read and write. It is a favorite social media. These devices are used to attract attention from the people in public places.
The topic is public address system. First we see mic. Mic is a device transducer convert into sound into electric signals. These microphones are used in many applications such as public events. Next we see megaphone. Megaphone, the sound is introduced into the hollow end of the microphone. The megaphone increase the volume of the sound. They are battery operated and amplify your voice. Next we see gramophone. It is a old type of record player. The gramophone play record disc with groove that are amplified by a needle. It is used to play a song.
Public addressing system. Public addressing system is to address the information for the large gathering. It comprises the CD player, amplifier, loudspeaker, megaphone. CD player. CD player is an electronic device that may contain the audio compact disc. The typically recording of the sounds. Amplifier. A power amplifier is an electronic device. It increases the magnitude of the audio signal. Loudspeaker. A speaker is an electronic device that produces the large amount of the sound. Megaphone. Megaphone is a device to amplify the person's voice. Sound film. Sound film is a motion picture that synchronizes sound or technologically coupled to image.
Show you some type of projector. First one is film projector. Film projector is a optomechanical device displaying moving picture in the projecting screen. Next one is slide projector. Slide is a single image or picture. Some other surface light can be caused which is mounted for use in a slide projector. Next one is epidascope projector. Epidascope projector projects a solid image. It is often referred to as opaque projector. The principles of epidascope projector is bright light can be used and the large lens can be used. Next one is film strip. Film strip is a continuous strip of films consists of individual frames or pictures. Arrangement is a specific title.
We see telecommunication. Telecommunication medium for transferring and receiving moving image that can be monochrome or colored picture accompanying a sound. These are all public address system.
Topic is board. Board is an important visual aids in teaching. There are many types of boards. We can see the boards now. Notice board, bulletin board and panel board.
Today my area is solar system, globe, map. First we are see about solar system. Solar system consists 8 planets. All the planets in the system revolve around themselves and also around the sun. Most of the equipment used in hospitals with the help of electric current such as phototherapy and incubator, etc. So sunlight converted into solar energy. So it is economical. Solar energy reduces some respiratory and cardiac issues. Then we see about globe. Globe that bears map on earth. And it is mounted on an angle that permits rotation. Then we see about map. Map is visual representation of entire area or particular area. Typically represented in flat surface. The purpose of doing this, any acts, incidents and population in entire area or particular area.
Summarizing, contrasting or performing in explaining subject matters. There are many types of charts. First we see about full chart. Next the chart. Then chain chart, tabulation chart, overlay chart, pie chart, tree chart, evolution chart.
My topic is about communication diagram and sequence diagram. Communication diagram is also used as model for the dynamic behavior. It is mostly focused on collaborative sequence rather than the time sequence. Sequence diagram, it is otherwise known as sequence system diagrams. It is arranged as according to the time sequence in the field of software engineering.
My topic is about pictures. Pictures is a visual graphic aids which involves in newspapers, magazines and calendars. And it is about child abuse. Child abuse is any experience in the childhood and adolescent periods. And kinds of childhoods, emotional, family, physical and sexual. And the types of pictures are finger painting and pencil art.